Now let's move on to text objects. All right. Text objects, as I mentioned, are nouns which are essentially used for text selection. They become handy when used in place of motions. So I'll cover a couple of text objects also to give you a gist of what I'm saying. Uh, so there are few I will be covering. IW means inner world. AW, which is a word or around word. I then parenthesis, A then parenthesis, I then small quote or A and small quote. So I'll take an example of what I'm trying to do. Let's say I want to delete everything between the small bracket, right? Then what I have to do is D I small bracket. So delete in small bracket. Or if I want to delete everything including the bracket, then I'll type DA small bracket, which deleted all the words including the small bracket. The same applies for double quotes also. D in double quote, D A double quote. So A to remember, like to make it easy to remember, you can map A to around. One more thing which I forgot to mention uh, in the operator section would be I forgot to take an example of till and find motion along with the operators. So I'll take it now only. So let's say I want to delete the word till the first comma, then I'll just type in dt comma. That's pretty helpful, right? And let's say I am at the end of the word and I want to delete in backward, then I'll just type d capital T comma, right? And the same goes for d capital phi comma, right? So yes, this is what we have for text nouns and a bit of operator.